Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Boneless chicken 200 grams. Salt as per taste. Pepper 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Blend everything nicely with the use of blender. Spray oil to hands. Wax paper. Take small size balls. Press gently. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can remove easily one by one. While doing kids lunchbox packing, everything is very helpful. Store like this, it stores up to 1 month in refrigerator. You don't need to buy market products. Store in Ziploc bag. Chicken 500 grams. Green chilies 2. Onion 1. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Coriander, handful of coriander. Salt as per taste. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon optional. Blend with the help of food processor. Blend nicely. I am using piping bag for shape. You can use hand as well. You can do any shapes, round, anything. Transfer to chicken to a piping bag. Wax paper. Shape like this. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour it will like this. Store in Ziploc bag. Store up to 1 month in refrigerator. Another recipe, green chilies 2. Handful of mint. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Handful of coriander. Salt as per taste. Curd 2 tablespoons. Blend. Boneless chicken 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Store in Ziploc bag. Store up to 1 month. Whenever you need, you can fry the chicken. It's good for weight loss as well. Another recipe, chicken 200 grams, salt as per taste, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon, thyme 1 tablespoon optional, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon optional, mix all purpose sauce 1 tablespoon optional, mix everything. Store like this in ziploc bag. You can store up to this chicken as well for 1 month. You can do salads, anything with this chicken. Store like this. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.